Good morning, first graders and families. Today is September 8th, Tuesday, and I will see you guys soon at 8:30 for Zoom. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of this week and where you can find your child's assignments and an outline of what we are going to do on Zoom this week. So let me take you through a quick peek. So remember, when your child logs on to the computer, they'll see a clever page that looks like this. The most important thing for you to click on is our Google Classroom here. So if they go ahead and click on that Google Classroom, they're going to see our Mrs. Cadena's first grade class. So remember, what I tell students and parents is that the stream here is for parents and the Classwork tab is for students. So the first thing that you'll see in our stream this morning is a copy of last week's participation. So if you go ahead and click on there, you'll see all the good work that your student is doing. So for example, my student number 1 did almost every single assignment. He did Epic every night and he did Go Math. The Go Math number that you see is a percentage. So anything below 75% says, we need to go back and we need to relook at this. In the Epic column, I want them to read for 20 minutes every night. So if you see anything above 20 minutes, that's stellar. That's awesome. Another new thing that I did this week or last week was that I'm starting to take attendance the first thing in the morning. And then I'm take attendance again at the end of the day to make sure that my students are staying with me for the whole day and getting that last math lesson in with me. So that's something that you'll see on the Google Classroom. The next thing, so if you click the Classwork tab up here at the top, this is where our assignments are going to be for this week. So I'm going to click Classwork. And we are in week 2 of distance learning, September 7th through the 11th. So I'm going to click on this assignment. And it looks very similar to last week's. So there's going to be 3 slides. The first one is independent work. The next one is what our Zoom meetings will look like. And then the last one says what your child will need this week. But it's always good to bring that whole red backpack or the contents of that red backpack that we gave out at launch week. So Monday was Labor Day. I hope you had a restful Labor Day. Today is Tuesday, September 9th. So after we're done with our Zoom meeting today, I would like your child to read 20 minutes on Epic. I would also like them to explore the virtual classroom, so they can click there on that hyperlink and they can explore our benchmark slides, and they can click on any one of these pictures of the books or letters to take them to an instructional video or a game. That's reading. The next thing I want them to do is Go Math. We're going to be doing Go Math 1.6 today in class. So then they'll go home and they'll practice 1.6 at home. So remember, if you forget, you can click on this how-to video on how to get there. And it'll take you right through the steps. So the steps are, they go ahead and they click on that Go Math they click on the Go Math icon, and it's going to take them to a different page. It's going to take them to Think Central, just like it shows here. Make sure that they see their name in this Google box. They're going to go ahead and click their name. And it's going to take them to Think Central, and they're going to click on Things to Do. And then every day they're going to look for the specific math assignment that I want them to do. And I will label it 1.6 Tuesday, 1.7 Wednesday, whatever it is, and their assignments will be there. Make sure that they click Turn In when they are done. That button right there, Turn In, so important. So that is Go Math. And then in addition to reading and math, today the coach put out a PE video that he made So I want your kids to watch the PE video. So if they click on PE video, it will come up with a brand new lesson from the coach, 20 minutes long. They'll just need some free space in their house, and they can do those exercises with the coach. In addition, I'd like them to practice their letter names and sounds every day and counting all the way to 120. So you can see that every day they should look here in the column for the independent work that I want them to do. Our Zoom meetings, this is what our Zoom meetings will look like. Try to stick to this schedule. From 10 to 10:30, I may be reading with my red group and my yellow group today. So if your child is not in the red group or the yellow group, I will put them in the waiting room. So have them stay near their computer, but it's a good time for them to get up, get a drink of water, have a snack, and listen for us to come back. All right, and that is it. That's our Zoom meetings this week. That's our independent work this week. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions. We had an awesome week, awesome attendance last week. So I hope to continue this week. All right, I'll see you guys at 8:30. Bye.